Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you bought your domain from GoDaddy and want to connect it to your Lovable website, this guide will walk you through the exact clean setup that works in 2026. So most connection problems come from DNS mistakes, conflict record, SSL timing, or Cloudflare style proxies. We will avoid all of that. So in this setting, or in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to GoDaddy in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common GoDaddy connection issues like domain shows not connected in Lovable, site works on Lovable, subdomain but not custom domain, SSL stuck on pending, the www works but root domain doesn't, or vice versa, old site still loads, or blank page after publish. So first thing you have to do is add your domain inside Lovable first. Okay, so go touching GoDaddy, add the domain in Lovable. So go to projects, go to domain, enter your domain, like for example your brand.com, and then save. Lovable will show you the exact DNS records you must add in GoDaddy. Keep this page open. So decide your primary domain version, pick one, okay, which if you want it with https://yourbrand.com or https://www.yourbrand.com. You will redirect the other version later. Okay, so open GoDaddy DNS management, log in to the GoDaddy. So go to my products, find your domain, click DNS or manage DNS. You are now on the DNS record page. Remove conflicting DNS records. So before adding the new record, clean up, delete old record pointing to another lost, remove extra CNAME records for ads or www, keep only what's necessary. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.